Win 1 Bitcoin. This is the promise to the winner of the game launched by Binance called the Bitcoin button game. This might be one of the most innovative form of crypto marketing to date, with the possibility of onboarding immense amounts of new users to the platform with almost no effort other than 1 Bitcoin and the site itself. There is no time limit to the game. The community indirectly sets the pace and eventually the winner. In my opinion, this game is also a social experiment, and the way it works is extremely simple. Rule number 1. You need to be the last person to click on the button before the timer runs out. Rule number 2. You only have 2 shots. I burned one out of my curiosity and my second one due to a refresh on the page, so I guess no Bitcoin for me, not on my active Binance account at least. But you can log in using your already created Binance account, create a new Binance account, or log in via Twitter, an account that has at least 10 followers and follows Binance. The attention this game gets since the launch on the 15th of March is more than impressive, with more than 570,000 total participants at the time of this video. So on the game page, you can see that the timer resets a lot. Mostly at 51 seconds, we have seen a low of 50 and even 49 seconds today. And that's because all the participants failed to reach a consensus to let the timer drop more to eventually zero. Even if the game doesn't have a deadline, I expect that it will take 1 to 2 months for the game to reach this 5 seconds area. And this is because we can see that the timer resets about 1 to 3 seconds lower every day. But this difference can pick up with more people coming in. Now, I can't guarantee that Binance doesn't have some conditions in the script that actually decrease the reset times every day. And we actually can't see that, as the script is held in a private part of the server. If you are a web dev and you have your way around the code more than I do, please post your findings in the comments below. Any way you think of this, Binance is a winner. This marketing strategy is a guaranteed win for the trading giant. And the launch date is also interesting because it was the beginning of an uptrend in Bitcoin. With all the data that they have from retails and institutional investors, Binance has probably timed this game perfectly, allowing new potential customers to enter crypto in a bull trend and getting them hooked to it. Anyway, this is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Logical Orange for Sublime Traders.